Welcome to Drawliper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to check screen time in your Samsung Galaxy A17 phone. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your settings app. Now from here scroll down and then go to digital well-being and parental controls. That's it. From here you can check your screen time. Just tap here and that's it. From here you can check your screen time details. You can see today my screen time is 2 hours and 23 minutes. Also, if you want to change your date, just select any date. You can see today date is 21 and here is 2019. You can see on 19 December my screen time is 8 hours and 29 minutes. Also, if I tap here on the view all option, you can check your all the app details screen time. Now if I tap on view all option, from here you can check your screen time app wise, and you can check your all the apps screen time from here, and that's it. And that is how you can check screen time in your Samsung Galaxy A17 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.